Welcome, my name is a SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. And when you boot it up for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen right over here. So to start off, you're gonna select your language. Now I'll be picking English. From there we can tap on Get Started, which will take us forward to the Insert SIM card page. Now this step is completely optional. You can insert your SIM card right now or do it later. It doesn't really matter when you do it. So I'll skip it for now. Don't have Wi-Fi connection. So again, you can skip this if you don't want to connect to any kind of Wi-Fi. Maybe you don't have anything that you can connect to right now. If you want to, simply pick one that you can connect to and put in a password and you're done. Then you can progress further. Now by skipping Wi-Fi, you won't have date and time set automatically, so you need to do it yourself. So you can change it right here on the next page. Now if you decided to connect to Wi-Fi, this step is completely skipped, and the time and date will be set automatically, so you don't have to fiddle with it at all. Next page, we have a name. Now this is you can name the device. If you choose to leave this field empty, or both of them, the device will name itself, and the name will be basically something along the lines of SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, which is, well, as always, the name of the device. Then we have Google services. So as you can see, we have some help improve our location accuracy. So we have location, basically scanning and sending user data. So this is kind of the old one. That's kind of how it's named nowadays. But basically the gist of it is one uses your allows application to access your location. Now if you're wondering why would application need that, it's for instance like Google Maps will use it, so you can get a correct route to your destination. Then improve location accuracy just allows the device itself to use different kind of options of it, so Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location and stuff like that. And then sending user and diagnostic data to Google, kind of self-explanatory. And if you don't want them at all, you can disable all of them, and from there scroll down and select next. And this does basically finish up the setup. Once you tap on finish, you should be presented with the home screen. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.